Hey guys, thanks for tuning into another episode of Jack's Mechanics. Today just going to show you how to reset the service interval on a 2015 Ford Kuga. This will suit all Kuga models. So first step, all doors and bonnet boot to be closed, and then ignition to position 2. This is a push start, so just push it once, and then at the same time both pedals, accelerator and brake, push them down simultaneously all the way to the floor. And hold. Should be somewhere between 15 and 30 seconds to do this. And then release, and then you can hit the OK button, and we can start the car. We'll just turn it off and then recheck. Beautiful. There you go, guys. All done on this Ford Kuga service reset. If it helped you out in any way, please consider liking the video or subscribing to the channel. We have more sort of this sort of content, anything to do with cars really, and yeah, that would be greatly appreciated if you considered that. So thanks again, and we'll catch you at the next one.